The chimney cake, also known as kürtös kalács, is a traditional Hungarian sweet. It comes in different flavors such as cinnamon, chocolate, walnuts, coconuts and cocoa. Our biggest dream in life is to find the best chimney cake in Budapest, so we'll embark on a journey to look for it.
So I will have a cinnamon and vanilla. Yes.
Okay, 1,600 for the please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so we just bought these two chimney cakes and we have flavors of vanilla and cinnamon, and we're going to give it to tourists and locals to see what their favorite flavor is. Okay, and now we are here with
Yeah, Peter.
Alma,
I'm Nancy. I'm Holly.
Hannah,
Holly.
Luna,
My name is Samuel Lee, spelled Samuellee for the little, subtitle.
I'm Diana.
I'm Theo.
Yeah, okay. And today we're gonna offer you some chimney cakes.
And like the question is which one is better?
Okay. I think that the cinnamon's going to be better. Just saying.
I think the cinnamon's going to be better as well. This is nice though.
Okay, this is vanilla and this is the cinnamon.
Eat it.
I feel like this is the classic one, right?
Yeah, I think cinnamon is the classic.
The cinnamon's very strong. But it's nice though.
I prefer cinnamon.
So you guys both like cinnamon more?
Yeah.
Okay.
I love
like
cinnamon.
I
It's my
love
favorite.
I love cinnamon too. This one is 10 out of 10 for me.
Wash it away with coffee for neutral.
Perfect.
Or-
Yes. Cleanse the palate.
Exactly. I definitely like the cinnamon one better.
So yeah, the cinnamon one, 8 out of 10. Vanilla, 7.
I think the vanilla's
I think cinnamon's better. I prefer the cinnamon because it's stronger and more interesting.
Friends, listen to me. When you come to Hungary, they're going to offer you free pastries. And what you're going to find is that both are bad. Vanilla is better than cinnamon. Vanilla is a 3, cinnamon is a 2.
He's wrong.
Needs more butter. Needs more butter. I don't know anything about pastries.
After our experiment, we found out that cinnamon is the best chimney cake in Budapest. However, in our humble opinion, the best chimney cake in Budapest is the friends we made along the way.
Do you like it? Yeah. Chimney.
I know them.
Yeah.